Matagak si Kasi, atras kasi.
Hi guys, I'm just rolling, but I'm okay guys. Who's the brother? I have a brother or sister. Can you guess me in the comment or subscribe to our video? Look at our channel and the Facebook or the I don't know, but I forgot to tell you all, guys. And let's go look at special. We are from Facebook, the font, and you can see in the TikTok. The TikTok, because I don't know what a subscribers, but I got a lot of subscribers in my TikTok because I have my sister and my brother and cousin and a cousin. But that's okay. Wow, beautiful. Oh wow.
Ate. Murot na. Murot na, Jud.